Kamusta guys? Nanonood kayo ng The News Listener? Ako po si Angelo at pag-usapan natin tong update sa kaso ni Harry Roque. Ay kung saan, hinihintay na lang yung red notice niya. Okay, kung natatandaan nyo si Harry Roque nasangkot dun sa human trafficking case sa Pogo noong last year or 2 years ago. At itong si Harry Roque ay hindi pa rin umuwi hanggang ngayon, di ba? Ang matindi dito sa kasong human trafficking is walang bail 'to. So, kung si Harry Roque maaaresto, hindi na siya makakalabas ng ng kulungan, habang hindi dinidinig yung kanyang kaso. Okay, so pakinggan na natin yung update dito kay Secretary John Vic Remulla, and very interesting, meron ditong light moments. Okay, so let's watch this.
Ronald yun eh. But nakausap po namin siya, and he says it's not true that his passport was canceled.
It is cancelled. I'm definite about it.
You remember though, the last time we had him, he said, no, it's not cancelled.
Well, alam mo naman si Harry, mataray yan eh. You always stick by his facts, but not... He can have his truths, but he cannot debate on the facts, di ba?
So his Filipino passport has been cancelled.
Yes, but to be candid, I did get in touch with him, and I did tell him the conditions, and he said that he is filing for asylum, but I think pretty soon pupunta ko na siya sa Vienna.
Why are you going to Vienna, sir, to meet him?
By the way, yung kanyang pag-file ng asylum doon sa Netherlands, hindi siya nangyari. Hindi siya inaprobahan ng Netherlands kasi nauna siya pumunta sa isang bansa. I'm not sure kung doon sa Vienna or sa Germany. Okay, but I think naghihintay na lang siya ng yun, sa Vienna, Austria, by the way. So paikot-ikot na lang dito si Harry Roque kasi yung kanyang passport kanselado na. So that means hindi na siya makakalipad kung saan-saan. Either ang gagawin niya maghihintay na lang siya na arestuhin siya, o magiging palaboy na lang siya doon sa Austria. Di ba? So pili na lang si Harry Roque. Sige, continue natin.
For what purpose?
To have him arrested. Kung kailangan mo man, di ba papares? Kung may red notice siya, papares ko na siya.
Okay, but you're waiting for the notice first. Yeah.
So,
Yes,
formalized
yes.
na yung kaso niya, Secretary, dito.
Yes, formalized na. Yes.
So you talked to him, sir? When was this?
A few days ago.
Oy, bago-bago lang.
Few days ago lang.
Kamusta
Okay.
kwentuhan niyo?
Bati na kayo, sir.
Hindi na kayo mag-away niyan. Magkaibigan talaga kami niyan.
Ginugupitan yung buhok niya noon eh. Hindi mo nakita nung ginugupitan yung buhok niya. Paborito ni Harry, nagupitan yung buhok ni Secretary.
I don't know what that means, but okay.
Grabe yung tawa ni John Wick.
Iba talaga tawa niyo, sir.
Hanapin mo, i-google mo yung haircut. I-google mo, mahanap mo yun.
I don't know what that means. But yes,
I'm afraid to look.
how was that conversation, sir? But why did you have to call him in the first place?
Ano yun eh, when I looked at the files, na-cancel ang passport niya, tinawagan ko na siya. Sabi ko, Father, cancel na passport mo. Baka lumabas yung red notice mo, huwag ka magulat kung arresto na kita. So, fair notice na lang, ganoon ako sa kanya.
What did he say?
Naging pa siya, no? Polite, no? Tinawagan si Harry Roque, tapos kung lalabas na yung red notice mo, arrestuhin ka na. Very polite. Okay.
Well, sabi niya, hindi. May petition for review pa ako. Marami siyang, hindi ko maintindihan. Basta dami niya sinasabi. Alam mo, abogado ko magbaliwanag, ang haba eh. Di ba? Alam mo, pareho ko lang naman si Ronald. Kami ni Ronald. Rumor kami pareho nito. Basta abogado sa tabi na, nakatuhangan na lang kami. Di ba? Wala na kayo maintindihan.
Talaga. So, as pending kanyang application for asylum,
You
hindi
can't
siya pwedeng
touch it.
galawin. Hindi siya pwedeng
It
arrestuin.
is something like that. Actually, I will let the lawyers of the department decide on the legality of this. I'm just giving you fair warning. Nakalumabas sa red notice, pupunta ka na siya.
Ano naman yung indication there that you might get that red notice as well?
Now we're on the application. Again, it's a process, so we applied already.
But as far as
Okay.
you're concerned, basta may red notice with or without an application for asylum, he can be picked up.
Yes, he can.
At least as far as you're concerned.
May mga iba't ibang variables
Yes.
yan eh.
So, kung nag-apply pa, bawal, kung nasa proseso, bawal siyang arestuin. Okay. So, kung wala pa, pwede siyang kunin. Okay.
No?
Yes.
Pwede naman kasi yung
Maraming
government to
variables.
government eh.
Mhm.
No? Kahit wala tayong extradition treaty. Pero hindi ko alam. Alam ko, Austria baka meron eh. No?
Yeah, Austria.
Oo.
Dati si Ronald, sino ba yung communist leader natin na si Alan Donny ba yun? Yung nasa Vienna rin?
Oo.
Nasa Netherlands?
Oh, si Joma,
Si
at saka
Joma.
si
Joma.
Alandoni, at saka si
Joma.
Fidel Kawili. Pero dalawa sa kanila,
Kahit
namatay
may
na
warrant of arrest tayo,
Oo.
hindi natin makuha di ba? Binigyan siya ng asylum.
eh. Mm.
Yung kasi nag-grant ng asylum.
Hindi, tsaka halimbawa,
Oo.
yung dalawa ron, si Fidel Kawili, tsaka si Joma, na pumanaw na, ay binigyan na ng citizenship sa Spain.
Okay.
In-invoke nila
that's
yung window na pag ikaw ay, yung ancestors mo ay citizen.
Dual citizen pala si Joma?
Hindi,
Yes.
dahil nga ron,
Yes,
in-invoke
he
nila.
was given the
Hmm.
dual citizen.
So,
Okay.
dati, nireject yung asylum niya ng
Mm,
Netherlands, no? Pero hindi siya pwedeng lumabas ng
But
Netherlands.
Secretary Remulla, so you called Attorney Roque to give him a heads up na baka lumabas na yung red notice niya and you might have to arrest him.
Because it's cancelled He cannot
But
get out of...
but he can move around the
Vienna.
EU. Or
He
no?
cannot.
Hindi rin.
He has
He cannot
Pwede-
enter hotel, he cannot enter nasa credit card transaction. May hirapan siya umikot talaga.
Mm.
But sir, didn't you just telegraph your moves?
I remember, pumupunta siya sa iba't ibang lugar, tapos, siguro nakikiano na lang si Harry Roque, nakikisilong kung sa mga DDS supporter na kilala niya. Yan.
And forewarn a potential fugitive?
No, he knows naman. He's known of that all along. Diba?
What do you-
The man is smarter than me. He knows what his predicament is. Diba? There's nothing telegraphed.
What do you mean about the credit cards? Were his assets frozen?
Kasi, yes, everything.
Okay.
Basta mag-credit card yan, mag-alarm kagad sa Interpol yan kung ginamit niya. If they see...
O, kumbaga, hindi niya na magamit yung mga credit cards niya. So that means, wala na siyang pera. Yung kanyang pera, naka-hold na.
if he's even flagged for anything, pa-arrest siya kagad. So, as of now, he's confined in Vienna. Doon lang siya.
Saan niyo siya, kung sakali, Secretary, saan niyo siya dadalhin? Saan kulungan niyo siya ilalagay?
Dito sa Tarlac.
Hmm?
Sa Tarlac siya ilalagay. Doon yung
RTC.
kaso niya yung human trafficking.
Hmm.
Kay Alice Go. Yung
Yeah.
the way doon pinadala yung si Mr. Supra International.
Hmm. Si Mr. Supranational, oh.
Alam mo yun?
Yeah, malaw.
Okay, so yun. So definitely meron tayong update na malapit ng kunin si Harry Roque. Red notice, hihintay na lang. Hindi na, yung account niya, yung credit cards niya, frozen na, naka-freeze na. So hindi niya na pwedeng gamitin. Hindi na siya pwedeng pumunta sa iba't ibang mga bansa sa loob ng Europe. Okay? At definitely, maghihintay na lang. Malapit na talaga. Kasi yung mga yung mga biktima na doon sa human trafficking ay si Harry Roque mismo. Siya naging abogado ni, nakalimutan ko kung sinong pangalan niya. Pero kasama siya sa kaso. Okay? At remember, wala siyang ano tawag dito? Bail. Okay? So definitely malapit na siyang kunin. At hindi siya makakalabas hanggang dinidinig yung kanyang kaso. Okay, salamat guys sa panonood. Kung meron po kayong komento, suggestion sa ating video, paki-comment po sa ating comment section, at if nagustuhan niyo po ang ating video, paki-hit po ng like and subscribe button. Salamat po and see you sa susunod na video.